what are you? Level 1659, like the actual fuck.
Hey Shane, how long have you been playing, bro?
Like, there's no way you could play that. That's gotta be physically impossible, dude. Like, I see so many people play it like that at level 2, and it's just, what the fuck?
Hey man, you're a pro gamer.
No, like, I have like 150 hours in the game, and I'm only level fucking 50. Like, I haven't really played any of the fucking double XP weekends, but like...
Have you been playing like 24/7?
No, I've only...
Shit, see? This fucking guy's talking.
150 hours in the game.
I need all these guys.
Like,
damn it.
That, like... You must have thousands and thousands of hours, like 3,000 at least. Heard it.
Or you have to play it from 2018.
What? Got it?
From the start of the Sandstorm.
Yeah, I got the game when it came out.
Where are you, Ranch? You near me?
I'm right next to you.
Here, we'll just call smoke from way... I think I can see way down here. Here? Maybe.
Yeah, it's from the first game.
But then I'm gonna
dude,
retreat,
I
go back. I don't gotta go through all, expose myself.
Why did I take my mask off?
Yeah.
Oh, dope.
I'm gonna go back right. I think the key is you gotta... We'll see. My ideas could totally change. But for now, because you have so much cover on the right till the very end. Whereas the other ways are so cheap.
But like, you haven't played Insurgency in like years. I literally haven't played this shit in like...
That's good, we're on all sides of this. Okay, that's good.
That guy won't shut the fuck up.
I just muted him. Yeah, I just muted him.
Yeah, he said the N-word.
Who?
Meraki.
Great.
Have fun.
A-tenant.
Like, I always remember...
So there's a guy running around. I think there's an enemy.
Getting spawn killed and spawn killed.
So we just want to hold this. Not let them get back on us. He's calling us out.
I believe it's back. Okay. Bring a tear in my eye.
I'm just gonna wait till I can call the chopper. Yeah, watch that window. That's a good idea. I'll watch this.
I'm watching the window.
If they run up behind us, they'll just shoot us in the back.
That's all?
There's multiple on the bridge in front of you.
Got one on the bridge. Ah.
Range! What the fuck was that?
I was watching the window.
It went through. That's good enough. That's all you need.
Helo's on site. I'm moving into position.
Alright, he lives in the air. That's your best chance because they're going to have to hide.
Shane, how
Also, the
many
only
hours
point
do
it's
you
really
have?
useful on this map.
Shane, please, how many hours do you have? Just tell me.
He muted you because you're fucking annoying.
What do you mean?
Get smokes on the sides. Get on now.
Alright, we got 3.
What a fucking bitch.
4.
Shane, to your when you turn to the right, he's strong. He will be like right in front of you.
You're annoying. You're stupid and sound Russian.
Still made it upstairs.
Shut up.
Verbal abuse. He was dropping inwards.
Yeah, and then he team killed me.
I'm gonna rip hate speech. cap in spite of that dude.
Hero has finished its run. Let us know if you need anything else.
Oh my
Station out.
god.
Observer, this is station. You're good for fire support. Tell the commander.
It's just a rat's maze. He's killed by some guy.
Push. Come on, no stop.
Guys, help.
Son of a bitch!
Shut up, retard.
Shut up, retard. Why, if I'm retarded, why am I the only one on the point? You guys suck. Out of the game. Better.
Like a little left here.
Type B3.
I do think if you can control that road, that helps huge.
Watch for enemy!
Let me see if they do. Oh, yep, they got a guy clinging to the right. He's on the right wall behind that white van. There's like a box 30 feet behind it on the right. He's behind there.
He came up and I killed him.
Nice, dude. Yeah, probably because you're smoky rushed you.
Guys!
I'm gonna try to come back to you if you hold that.
Negative.
So if we can turn that corner, I can call. And behind you,
Okay, I'm looking
Push up
down
that
there.
road.
Fire's covering us.
Ooh,
Two
someone
of
just
them.
threw a molotov in front of us.
See him.
Well, no, he threw it from. There's a door. There's like an entry. Just hold on.
There's a frag right here. And a live fire.
Man down! Need to reload here!
Yo, side that door. Thank you.
In this corner.
Okay, we're here, but we're over.
Last wave. Yeah, make this count. 13, boys.
Here, get this. Find us. Damn it! I was fucking reloading. I should have said something to you.
Sorry, you said behind us and under.
As soon as I started reloading, I heard his footsteps and I gotta start. I play too stupid, man, sometimes, I swear to God.
It would be helpful if you had somebody that was competent with you.
No, I
feel
Got
like
Holly
I'm
to go through?
constantly looking the wrong
Oh, look at these.
way.
We got two guys that are AFK.
Oh lord.
Do vote kick on him.
Yeah. It's not even on the list.
He dropped it.
I'm surprised, Hello? Yes, we can hear you.
This map is brutal.
You're not calling anything, are you?
No. would you call? I mean, it's just so. I mean, you could call Kim's, I suppose. Would be a little bit helpful, but
Man, fuck y'all.
I'm just gonna sprint and get.
Dude, we
across
can hear
the
you,
bridge.
okay?
Everyone, get ready.
Another dead dude.
I'm going. I'm with you. Hold on. Hey! Where did the commander go?
Greetings.
They waved.
Man, I got rebalanced into insurgents.
Hey!
I was kind of having fun on the other side.
Welcome.
Thanks, man.
This is
Welcome. You're gonna have to mute about 5 people, but
I'm sorry if I shot anybody like a minute ago.
they come again.
You are welcome in our holy war.
It's a jihad, right?
Try to hit me again.
Okay,
See
I'm
if they
off to
get me.
commit suicide. BRB.
You still on the bridge ranch?
No, I just went down, but there was a couple on it.
Okay.
You need a commander, El Juan.
Dead end.
Reloading.
Is there any more of them?
Oh, picked off.
Oh, there is. Hello.
2 waves.
We need to move.
That is not good.
Where did the commander go?
Didn't see him over there.
Helicopter is coming.
Somebody
Shut it
gone.
down.
Yeah, there's
I'm done.
Chopper got me out in the open. No, actually, one of them did.
Get on the point, brothers.
Get go.
Throw some nades in.
Back to the next position. Keep your eyes open. All right, go.
Haha, I got you. To the top of the stairs.
Are you saying hello to the enemy or to me?
Who's our commander? Anyone? No?
clearing.
Where is the commander? What the fuck?
Pulled that nade sooner.
Enemy on B! Grenade! Wait! Get away from it! Let's get them! Hey, hey, hey! Where did the commander go?
Is that road clear, Ranch?
Yeah.
Okay, go on. Going for it.
You're almost there! Keep moving! Come on! Yeah! Get going!
They had a fucking line up there.
Don't fuck around! Be careful!
Well, actually, this is cool because I've never seen this part of the map.
Yeah, yeah.
This spot seems really hard to hold.
Hey, hey, hey! Where did the commander go? No!
I would have pushed up all the way up there if I realized their whole fucking team was gonna drop like that, but oh well. Yeah, I don't mind seeing this.
Loading up!
Pushing up mid.
Take your weapon! Just move! Stop talking! I'm ready!
So Shane, how do you like the FMS?
The what?
The FMS?
I barely use it because I would only use it on a map like this because it's just on opener maps. It just seems like it'd go through so much ammunition. You could only hopefully kill 2 people in one. You know, 'cause it's not like it's a one-shot kill gun. I mean, so like in close quarters, okay, but like if you're like in a I don't know farmhouse and you're crossing semi-open spaces, you're gonna be reloading it all the time unless you're. But I think, you know, in very specialized kind of situations, it's pretty cool. Like how you're using it right now. Yeah, 2 waves.
2 waves.
Shit,
Assassin.
coming to the left. A ton of guy coming to the left. It's like at least 4 to 5 guys coming to the left.
I'm on the wide left, so if they try to push from the side, I'll get them.
Are you down, Shane?
Yeah, yes, I am down. That's a weird point too, because it's just that open. It's like a weird segment of that open space. Oh, there's 0. We're losing 0. Losing 0 again. Just
Ranch, one view on the left side.
Is he still made it
on
0?
both columns, on the columns.
Almost have it, guys.
on, get on the point.
Stay safe.
Get on the fucking.
Oh man.
So close.
Ooh, anyway, I want to play here.
Gotta say that was all because of just one of them holding a really crazy angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. He killed like 3 or 4 of us. He had his fucking head sticking up at the top of the stairs.
Yeah, it was the guy on the stairs, yeah.
Oh, Cowboy, you're already after my...
Oh, I don't know this spot. This is the first time I play Ambush.
No, this is a good spot, dude. You can play up in that once you play up in that room, you'll get some, and then I'll play out here. If you go down, let me know. Plus, FAMAS is going to be better.
I'm
than
to your right. Yeah, I'm to your right. I'm gonna cover
Yeah,
this side.
just let me know if they get you. Wish they had more of the foul. QBZ's not bad, but I missed the foul's just got a little bit more punch. Smoke in that middle. Basically direct to me, your left.
So they did decrease the fire rate. Now it's much more controllable.
What?
The FAMAS.
FAMAS? Yeah. From like 1,200 to 1,000, it's still...
One guy far.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's fucking crazy.
It's still gonna go through a whole clip in like a second and a half.
Yeah, but now it's like only 100 rounds per minute faster than the VHS.
They're crossing that middle bridge. Jesus.
Oh shit.
Oh, there's no...
Get moving. Готовы.
Losing it.
Rate of fire.
Oh Christ.
One wave.
Well, this map is indeed an equalizer.
Where is the commander?
Well, it is. I mean, any new map is to a degree, because level 5 or 1,000, no one... We could win this, though. I just don't know where to play on D. We don't have anyone watching this way. Shit. Whole defense on the left. Down.
I'm down, Cowboy. He's behind you.
Oh, only 2 guys. You're the last one, Katatsu.
That was rough.
Alright, man.
You destroyed you and Hey, we're all doing well. It's fine. I kind of want Shane to get cancer, but man, if you would just keep saying hello.
I hope you have a wonderful holiday, too.
Oh. I'm out, guys. Have a good night.
Good night.
See you.
Yeah, me too.
Take care.
Work tomorrow.
I just remembered I was supposed to be on that team. Fuck.